Welcome to GiftPak. Today, we're here to guide you through our flexible pricing plans designed to cater to your unique corporate gifting needs. We offer 3 distinct plans: Freemium, Premium, and Enterprise. Let's dive into each one. First up, we have our Freemium plan, ideal for small teams and startups looking to get started with corporate gifting. With Freemium, you'll enjoy access to unlimited recipient profiles within our platform, more than 100,000 gift options, and basic gifting tools like our branding shop and logistics tracker. Next up, our Premium plan. This plan offers unlimited user seats compared to the one user seat offered in our Freemium plan. Moreover, with the Premium plan, you gain access to an exclusive premium order discount of up to 4% on your gift orders. This plan will also enable you to bulk import recipients to our platform, which will save you time in creating a separate profile for each of the recipients. In addition, you will get a dedicated account manager who will assist you throughout your gifting journey. Last but not least, our Enterprise plan. One of the major advantages of this plan is our free on-demand gift proposals from our design team, which will allow you to have the highest level of customization for your swag campaigns at no additional cost. Additionally, it's worth highlighting the exceptional capability of gifting automation. Upgrading to the Enterprise plan offers numerous advantages for your company, especially when dealing with employee and client events like birthdays and anniversaries. Our system seamlessly integrates with your CRM tools, effortlessly capturing these significant moments. Simply set a gift budget for an event, and our system takes care of the rest. Furthermore, as an Enterprise subscriber, you will gain exclusive access to the GiftPak Concierge program. This means you'll be at the forefront of industry knowledge with early access to our research white papers. You will also receive weekly gift recommendations along with quarterly complimentary gift samples. That about wraps up our guide on subscription plans. Check out our pricing page for a more in-depth look at the differences between our Freemium, Premium, and Enterprise plans. Feel free to explore our other guides below to discover the full range of GiftPak's features and offerings. Thank you for watching. You can check out more useful guides below.